Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to customize the footer credits in your Divi theme. By doing this, you can add your own name, business, or even custom HTML content to your website's footer. This is a great way to personalize your site and make it more aligned with your brand. Whether you're a web designer, agency, or site owner, updating the footer credits is a straightforward process. Let's dive in. To update your Divi theme's footer credits, one of the simplest and most efficient methods is by using the Divi Booster plugin. This tool comes with a built-in option specifically designed for customizing footer credits. It's perfect if you'd like to avoid editing theme files or dealing with code directly. With this plugin, you can effortlessly replace the default footer text with your own custom content or HTML, giving you the flexibility to align the footer perfectly with your website's branding. To access the Divi Booster settings, start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. On the menu to the left, locate the Divi option. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on Divi Booster. This will take you straight to the plugin's settings page, where you can begin customizing your Divi theme. Once you're in the Divi Booster settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Footer. Click on the heading to expand it. Within this section, you'll find a subsection called Bottom Bar. Click on that and it will reveal all the options for customizing the footer credits area. Now, to customize your footer credits, locate the checkbox in the bottom bar section labeled Replace Footer Credits with this text HTML. Check this box to enable custom footer credits. Once you've done that, a text area will appear. Here you can enter your preferred footer text or even HTML code. For instance, you might include your business name, a copyright statement, or even links and images. If you'd like an example, you can find one in the accompanying post. This is where you can be creative and align the footer content to represent your brand. After you've added your custom content, don't forget to save your changes. Simply click the Save Changes button at the top of the Divi Booster settings page. Once that's done, head over to your site and scroll down to the footer. You'll see your new personalized footer credits displayed right there, reflecting the changes you made. And that's it. As you can see, personalizing your Divi site's footer credits is quick and straightforward with the Divi Booster plugin. In just a few steps, you can put your brand front and center, giving your website a polished, professional touch.